Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable this assistant menu in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll all the way down, then go to accessibility. From here go to interaction and dexterity. Then go to assistant menu. Now by tapping here you can enable it, and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now from here you can customize your assistant menu. Just tap here. From here you can add or remove any item from your assistant menu. Suppose if you want to remove the screen rotation item, just tap on this minus icon. On the other hand, if you want to add this quick panel item on your assistant menu, just tap on this plus icon. And you can see it's added successfully. So just touch and hold it. Then you can change your position, and that's it. Now just go back, and from here you can change your assistant menu size. You can choose any size as you want. You can set large, medium, small and extra small. Also from here you can increase or decrease your assistant menu transparency. And that is how you can enable assistant menu in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.